Samsung Galaxy A31. Samsung Galaxy A31 smartphone runs on Android V10Q operating system. The phone is powered by octa-core 2 GHz dual-core Cortex-A75 plus 2 GHz hexa-core Cortex-A55 processor. It runs on the MediaTek Helio P65 chipset. It has 4 GB RAM and 64 GB internal storage. Samsung Galaxy A31 smartphone has a Super AMOLED display. The screen has a resolution of 720 by 1560 pixels and 268 pixels per inch pixel density. On camera front, the buyers get a 25MP primary camera, and on the rear, there's an 48MP plus 5MP plus 2MP camera with features like digital zoom, auto flash, face detection, touch to focus. It is backed by a 5000 mAh battery. Connectivity features in the smartphone include Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, Volta, and more. Samsung Galaxy A31 price. Samsung Galaxy A31 smartphone price is likely to be $201.66, 14,990 rupees. Samsung Galaxy A31 is launched in the country on March 27, 2020, unofficial. As for the color options, the Samsung Galaxy A31 smartphone may come in black, blue, red colors. For more updates, subscribe and share this video.